Do you want a gaming headset with an award-winning design, high-quality audio, and that's also wireless? I've got the headset for you. Pro X Wireless. Let's jump into the unboxing. All right, now let's jump into this unboxing. All right, taking a look at the Pro X Wireless at a glance. It looks just like our regular Pro X headset. It's got that steel band with the aluminum fork, so very sturdy. Like I said, award-winning design, easy to use. It's got the memory foam leatherette ear caps. I believe we also provide a velour headset, or ear caps, I should say. The main difference from the regular Pro X is going to be the controls, because it is now wireless with Lightspeed. The other one, the regular Pro X, had a wired cable, wired connection, and it had an aux cable, whereas now we've upgraded, future-proofing it with USB Type-C. So at the bottom there, we have the on and off switch. You can see a little indicator light showing the battery. And then we also have the volume rocker, which is really cool. So pretty simple. We've also got a mute button for muting. And what I like about this button is that it's a raised button. So if you were to ever play and you need to rub your finger on the back to kind of see, oh, am I muted or not? I can know instantaneously by pressing it and feeling, or as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see this properly, but there's a little bit of red there knowing that it's muted. So if you can take a quick glance at it, okay, I'm muted, press it, okay, I'm back in and I'm ready to go. It does also have the detachable 3.5 millimeter detachable microphone that you can take out if you just really want to make sure you're super muted, guarantee. So that's the main difference you're going to notice from the physical design aspect of it. It might be a little bit thicker compared to the Pro X, but ultimately that same award-winning design, super easy to adjust onto your head. Perfect. How do I look? Do I look magical? Do I look amazing? So not so little. It looks similar to our G935 as well as our G933 USB receivers. If you've had those before, you'll be at home in that sense of the size of it. Doesn't have an aux port like the 935 and 933 that I've mentioned, but it is big. It is our Lightspeed technology, so you've got to get all that tech inside there. It has the branding as Pro X Wireless DAC. So this is where the Blue Voice technology is going to come through, which is really, really cool, that we'll talk about. It's going to make you download G-Hub to really get the full experience of your headset. You don't have to technically download G-Hub, but it's definitely recommended. Let's put that off the side there. And then we've got the little carrying bag. Oh, got that. Yikes. So let's talk about that. So 3.5 millimeter microphone, and you're able to unplug fairly easily. And we've got the carrying case, plug it in with USB Type-C. We do provide you with a cable. It is, I believe, 2 meters, 1.8 meters. We've got the velour ear cups, which is really awesome. So that wraps up the unboxing portion of it. Thanks for coming from the unboxing video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and take care. Later.